Here I have TCL 10 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to block number on this device. So first of all, you have to open your phone, and the first method is you have to select a contact which you want to block. Then you tap here and tap block numbers and block. And now this number is blocked. And the second method, you just can open your contacts list, tap here, go to the settings, and here you have this line block numbers, and here you can add number. You can add every number here. You don't need to add it to your contacts list first. You can just type it here and the number will be blocked. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.